Okay, this is the soldering iron from my 995D soldering station, and I was just measuring the clearance between the heating element and the inside of this tip here, and basically I measured this previously. I got right at 4.21 millimeter. Let me see. It's hard to do this with one hand, but I just previously measured it at 4.21. Right now I'm getting a little bit smaller than that. And then we come over here, measure the actual element. See if I can slide this off. There we go. Try that again. Getting 3.86 millimeter. Yeah, so we're definitely getting a loose fit. It's not snug, that's for sure. And I think I'm losing a lot of the heat transfer because of this loose fit. I'm going to try to show the looseness. See here. You can see the play. Try to hold this steady. It is very difficult to see the play, but you can definitely feel it. It is not a snug fit at all. So it's mainly touching down here at this end of the heating element and not getting very good contact during the on the side of the heating element, the wall of it, which is probably where you get most of your heat, of course. Anyway, I'm going to be trying a Hakko tip, which should have a lot tighter fit to it, should have a lot more surface area in contact with the tip, and hopefully that'll make my welds or soldering a little better, get some better heat transfer. Anyway, that's all. Thanks.